We are just a few days away from the start of a new year, and several new laws will take effect across the Northwest. And we'll start in Washington state. These are interesting. The state of Washington's minimum wage will increase to $16.28 per hour. It's a 3.4% increase from this year and the highest in the nation. Individual cities can still set theirs higher if they choose to. Washington will also have a 10-day waiting period for purchasing or transferring any kind of firearm. The new law also requires passing a safety training program or providing an exemption. Some employees also will no longer be able to be tested for marijuana by their employers during the hiring process. There are some exceptions, though, including first responders. And finally, a new law will change the definition of street racing. It will also impose harsher punishments for organizers and participants. Over in Colorado, one of their new laws will help protect those struggling with an eating disorder. The new law will limit the use of body mass index, or BMI, when determining treatment. Doctors who work with people with eating disorders say that this is important because a person's starting or ending weight isn't necessarily what needs to be addressed.
It's when people are not necessarily in the eating disorder community, for lack of a better term, where they are thinking that they're being helpful and then they're not following these standards. And that's where it can be a bit dangerous or risky.
The new Colorado law will also ban selling diet pills to minors without a prescription, and doctors say that's critical to prevent people from developing eating disorders. And here in the Gem state of Idaho, most new laws actually take effect on July 1st. That's the start of the fiscal year. But sometimes lawmakers postpone the start date. And on January 1st, some new laws will be on the books here in Idaho. For example, formerly known as House Bill 124, a new law will take student ID cards off the list of accessible documents to vote. And this has also been challenged in court. Another law also allows low-level, nonviolent criminals to seal a record from public view. Lastly, House Bill 161 is now a law that requires employment training for all able-bodied food stamp enrollees.